Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have learned how we can use list style. Remember that here in a place of leading property, we are using a icon. But in place of this, if you want to use some image or you want to use the image that we have avatar type of feeling, we have a circle and under that we have an image. So for that, I can use here circle avatar. It's a very useful property. We can use this and here I can say radius. Radius I say 20 for example, and we have another property is called background. So I say background image I want to use, and remember that I can use background color also, I can use background image also. So first I set background color and I say colors dot I say purple like this. Then we have child also. In child I say text and here I say Dr. Vipin. So I say DVK like this short, and if I run this and you will see that we have this icon like this property. I can increase the radius to 60 and you will see that the magic. Once again we have this type of property here, you see DVK like this, Dr. Vipin Kumar, property person like this. In place of this, suppose you want some image, so just remove the background color and I say background image, and here I say network image, and under this I have a URL that will display image. So I pass here this URL. Remember that this is the index, means if you say 0 1 2 3 automatically index will run, and this is the online link that will generate image. If I say Control S, and you will see that in every circle or avatar you will see the different value, and this text is also coming, but I can remove this text. No need of this text now. Save, and you will see that image we have. So this radius property increase the size of this, but remember that this circle avatar have some limitation. Suppose I say size to 90, you see it will just increasing the size, not increasing the size of an image. So it have some limitations, some restrictions are there. So sometime it behave okay, but if we have a limited image size like this, or I can use because this is a network image also, image size is also restricted. Small image is there, 150 pixel. Suppose if I say 250 pixel image, then you see, but it is not working. I increase the size now. I say size is 60, and you see it automatically increasing the size, but it not increasing the size of an image. So certain limitations are there in this circle avatar. You see, I'm not able to increase the size. But in place of that, you can use container also, and under the container you take some other property of container child. There you use the images and crop the image just like a circle. So you can create your own circle avatar, but this is a small visit. Sometimes it's very beneficial if you want to show such kind of information in the listing. So that I'm showing here, and this is the function that you can use for getting image. And one thing also we have, I can use image dot network also like this. This I can also use. In place of that, I can use assets also. If you have your images available in the assets folder, or you create your assets folder here, and then you can pass the assets image also. So far I'm not displaying or giving information on images, but in later video I will explain separately how to use images, so then you can replace the images here. But this is the use of circle avatar. If you want to use, you can use under list style or some other place. If you want to use, this is example that in a leading we are using a circle avatar. It have some limitations, some restricted properties are there. So I have explained each and everything here. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.